Did you know that potatoes are one of the most misunderstood foods? While many believe they lead to weight gain, they're actually packed with nutrients and can be a healthy part of your diet, if eaten the right way. In today's video, we'll break down the benefits, potential risks, and the healthiest ways to prepare potatoes. Plus, stay tuned for a quick and easy potato recipe at the end. Let's start with the good stuff. Potatoes are a rich source of vitamins and minerals. They're especially high in vitamin C, which is great for your immune system, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. In fact, a medium potato contains more potassium than a banana. Potatoes are also a great source of complex carbohydrates. This means they provide long-lasting energy and keep you feeling full. If you're an athlete or someone who needs sustained energy throughout the day, potatoes can be a great option. And let's not forget the fiber. While potatoes are naturally low in fat, they're high in fiber, especially if you eat the skin. This fiber promotes healthy digestion and can help prevent spikes in blood sugar, making potatoes a good option for people trying to manage their weight or blood sugar levels. However, not all potatoes are created equal. One of the biggest issues with potatoes is how they're often prepared. French fries, chips, and mashed potatoes loaded with butter and cream can turn this nutritious vegetable into a high-calorie, unhealthy meal. These types of preparations are often packed with unhealthy fats and can lead to weight gain if eaten regularly. Another thing to watch out for is that potatoes are a starchy food. This means they can have a high glycemic index, causing blood sugar levels to rise quickly. While this isn't a huge problem for everyone, people with diabetes or those trying to control their blood sugar should be mindful of portion sizes and pair potatoes with proteins or healthy fats to slow down digestion. So, how can you enjoy potatoes without the downsides? Here are a few simple tips. First, bake or boil your potatoes instead of frying them. This way, you retain the nutrients without adding unnecessary fats. Second, eat the skin. The skin contains most of the fiber and nutrients, so leaving it on can boost the health benefits. Finally, try pairing your potatoes with lean proteins like chicken or fish, and add a healthy fat like olive oil to balance your meal and prevent blood sugar spikes. In summary, potatoes can be a nutritious and filling part of your diet when prepared the right way. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, but it's important to avoid frying them or adding too much fat. How do you like to cook your potatoes? Let me know in the comments below. And now, as promised, here's a quick and healthy potato recipe. Try roasting potatoes with olive oil, garlic, and rosemary. It's simple, delicious, and much healthier than fries. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell for more food breakdowns and healthy eating tips. See you next time.